Hello, in this video I will demonstrate Project0, that is Google search. Going to the index page. Okay, so this is the index page. As you can see, there are other two pages, advanced search and image search, and I can navigate to each other using the links given on the right side. Okay, so going back to the regular Google search, if I type in a query here, let's say hello, and hit Google search, it will show me all results related to that word. So as you can see, I have got the results. Now uh, going to the third specification, that is query images. So if I type, let's say hello, hit image search, it will take me to the images related to that word. Going to the advanced search, as you can see here I have given 4 fields just like given in the specifications. Hello, hello song. Okay, so if I hit advanced search, then it will, so this basically works. Now going to the appearance, as you can see the appearance is somewhat like Google. I tried my best. Now going to the I am feeling lucky option. If I type hello and hit I am feeling lucky, it will then it will directly redirect me to the first link of the search results. Okay, so now the last one, aesthetics. So I have tried my best to decorate this page, and as you can see, everything works. So this was all about the project. Thank you.